Hello kids, today our story is The Magical Paintbrush. Once upon a time, in a small village, nestled among rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had heart as big as the sky and passion for painting that burned brighter than the sun. One day, as Lily was wandering through the woods, she stumbled upon an old dusty paintbrush laying beneath a gnarled oak tree. Intrigued, she picked it up and marveled at its beauty. The paintbrush had a shimmering handle carved from polished wood, and its bristles gleamed like strands of spun gold. As Lily held the paintbrush in her hand, she felt a tingling sensation coursing through her veins. Little did she know this was no ordinary paintbrush. It was a magic paintbrush, imbued with the power to bring her paintings to life. Excited by her discovery, Lily raced home and set to work on her first masterpiece. With each stroke of the brush, she poured her heart and soul onto the canvas, painting scenes of towering castles, majestic dragons, and mystical forests. To her amazement, as soon as Lily finished her painting, the characters she had created began to leap off the canvas and come to life before her very eyes. The dragons soared through the sky on wings of fire, the trees whispered secrets to the wind, and the castles shimmered like jewels in the sunlight. Word of Lily's magical paintings spread far and wide, and soon people from all over the kingdom came to see her incredible creations. They marveled at the beauty and the wonder of paintings, and many begged her to paint portraits of their loved ones or scenes from their wildest dreams. But Lily was wise beyond her years, and she knew that with great power came great responsibility. She used her magic paintbrush not for the fame of fortune, but to spread joy and happiness to all who beheld her art. And so, with each stroke of her brush, Lily painted a world filled with love, laughter, and endless possibility. For in her hand she held into a just paintbrush, but the key to unlocking the magic that lay within us all.